Hello, this is Yogeskumar Rathod. I want to give you some information on Indian history, medieval period, Delhi Sultanate. The first ruler was Muhammad bin Ghori. Muhammad bin Qasim was just an invader, but Muhammad bin Ghori ruled in during medieval period. Then few dynasties were important. First is slave dynasty. The founder of slave dynasty was Qutbuddin Aibak. Then came Khilji dynasty, who were ruled for around 30 years. Jalaluddin Khilji was its founder. Khilji dynasty was taken over by Tughlaq dynasty. Its founder was Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Tughlaq dynasty was ruled by overtaken by slave dynasty. The founder was Khizr Khan. And last ruler was Lodi dynasty. Bahlol Lodi was its founder. I will give you more information later. Thank you.